Hello everyone, my name is Elodicina. I'm from Haiti and I came to this country in July 2021. My journey started at Lindsay Hopkins when I first came here to learn English, but my plan changed. How did my plan change? I took the ESOL exam, but I scored higher than the level required. They put me in ABE in order to prepare me for the TEAS exam into the nursing program. While I was in the program, I was sick, but this doesn't stop me to continue my learning journey. Sometimes we need to accept help. I received help from my teachers and the staff at Lindsay Hopkins.
Good morning, my name is Sharia Blackman. I am the Health Science Department Chair here at Lindsay Hopkins Technical College. Here in the Practical Nursing Program, we had the pleasure of Elodie Sanat being one of our successful students. Elodie was one of our students that was very proactive when it came to her learning. She made sure, she was responsible for collaborating with her other students, preparing different study groups. She would also stay after class, sometimes till 5, 6 o'clock in the evening with her classmates as they studied for their tests and their various exams. Within our practical nursing program, it consists of not only theory in addition to skills, but we also have our students to complete clinical rotations.
During clinical, I was at Jackson. Now I'm working at Jackson as a nurse. And I took my NCLEX, passed the first try with 85 questions. The advice I would give a student who is struggling is to believe in yourself. Because without faith in yourself, there's nothing possible. Miami-Dade County Public Schools is your best choice.